Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thanks so much for joining me here again. And today I'm taking a request from this wonderful person right here, and I'm going to show you folks how to draw the character Glitch from Roblox Doors. Okay, to start drawing Glitch, I'm going to start kind of drawing the silhouette of a person's body. So let's see. Let's start with shape of a head. And we can have a bit of a neck here. And now some shoulders. And bring an arm down on both sides. And I'm gonna make it so that they kind of have a fist with their hands. Same over on this side too. And bring a line down on both sides here for the body. And then we can start with some legs. Okay, so we've got the shape of a person here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do lots of like little rectangles and squares. So they can be all kinds of different sizes, lengths, doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do a pile of these all over the page. I'm going to do some even on our silhouette of the person. I'm going to have some surrounding here. I'm going to have some in the back. I'm just going to do a pile of these. So because I'm really only just doing these squares and these rectangles, and this is probably going to take a little while, it might get kind of boring to just watch. I think we'll probably speed up this part. All right, folks, so I've got all kinds of squares and rectangles done here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start using some color. So I'm going to do the silhouette of this person. I'm going to do it all in black, and I'm going to use some purples and some blues, a red, green, yellow, gray, all of these colors on these little boxes and squares. All right, I'm gonna get started. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing Glitch. Let me know how you think it turned out, and don't forget to let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. Maybe even just something you would like to see me draw next. And thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever the next drawing is going to be. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.